How to make Risol mayo? We will make Risol mayo with my own usually salad. In making Risol mayo, the ingredients needed consist of 1 kg of high or medium protein flour. But it is better to use high protein because the texture will be better for the formation of the lumpia. 1.5 liter water, 3 eggs, 12 sticks of sausage, 2.5 medium cucumber, sauce 1 plastic wrap half a kilogram, for mayo a quarter of kilogram plastic wrap, paneer flour 1.5 kilogram, salt 1.5 teaspoons, use a quarter of butter only. How to make? We put the flour into the prepared pan. Then we add water little by little. We knead until well blend between the water and the flour to form the dough that is needed, not too thick and not too runny. We set aside the skin dough. Then we make filling. Take the cucumber in long or thin slices. Then take the 12 sausage, and then we cut them into the part. After it is divided into 2 parts, we cut the middle again into 2 parts and so on. Open the butter first. Turn on the stove. The fire is not too big nor too small, mediocre. After that, stir the skin dough again for a while to make sure the dough is really ready to be made. After the teflon is hot enough, apply butter and pour the skin mixture until it is smooth and even. Don't cook it too long. Remove from heat and drain for a while. Before entering the contents of the risol, do it continuously as has been done before. Now is the time to enter the ingredients. First, add 1 cucumber slice. Add enough size. Add 1 sausage slice. Add mayonnaise, then roll. The way to roll is to sides first, then roll the whole thing, so that it is closed evenly, and so on. This is a semi-finished form of risol. Why are you half done? Because after that is the stage of giving a plank for the risol. Prepare the paneer flour, then take the risol one by one and apply it to the egg white that have been separated earlier. After that, enter the separatable risol into the paneer flour container that has been prepared. Apply evenly, continuously, and so ready to fry. Time to frying! With medium fire. Yes, not big, not small. Done. It's great to eat for any time of day, especially when it's still warm. Thank you.